Hello, my lovely people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you this look and I'm going to talk about each and every step. So I request you to please stay with me till the end so you can see how I achieved this look. But before we begin, I just want to say, if you're new here, hi, I'm Kriti Robertson. I post videos about makeup, skincare every Monday and Thursday. So if you like that kind of videos, please consider subscribing. It's absolutely free. This is me barefaced with no makeup on. I have already moisturized my skin, so now I'm going in with the primer. I'm using this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I just want to say this is a lovely primer. I absolutely love it. It smooths out my skin very nicely, and if you have any texture on your skin, it helps with that too. Gently massaging the primer into my skin so my makeup can last longer. Oops, my cup of green tea has made an appearance. And now I'm using this orange shade from the Tarte Wipeout Color Correcting Palette. I'm applying that under my eyes to correct my dark circles. Taking it a bit around my lips too because I have some pigmentation around there. Let's go ahead with the foundation. I'm using L'Oreal True Match Foundation in the shade 7D7W. And now I'm going to blend my foundation, and always remember to also blend it into your neck. I'm taking my time to blend my foundation properly because it's so important. By the way, this brush is number Y6 from Morphe. This is my favorite brush and I use it all the time. So you will be seeing it a lot more in my videos. Just giving a heads up. Next, I'm going to use this concealer. It's Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade number 8. It's about 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, which works perfectly for highlighting. As you can see, I have highlighted a few areas on my face and now I'm going to blend them in with my Morphe Y6. I'm going to bake under my eyes. I think I'm using Kat Von D translucent powder for this. Now I've got this Bobbi Brown foundation stick in the shade Walnut. This is quite a dark shade, so I use very little and blend most of it out. I'm contouring my face with this, going across my face, hairline, sculpting the cheekbones, jawline, and contouring my nose. And now I'm going to blend everything with this flat Y12 brush from Morphe. Now I'm carefully blending my nose, making sure I don't move around the product that I have placed on my nose. I'm highlighting the bridge of my nose once again and just making my contour a bit sharper. I'm going to brush off all the excess powder off of my face now that it has helped me to set the under eye concealer. Also brushing off the excess from all over my face. Next, I'm going to be taking this Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter in the shade Mermaid's Scales. As you can see, it is a beautiful green highlighter. It is very reflective, so little goes a long way. I'm highlighting all the high points of my face and I'm going to blend it with a beauty blender. Because I had already used powder on my face, it was getting a little hard to blend with a blender, so I went in with my fingers to blend the rest of it. Now I'm going in with a powder highlighter just to intensify it. I'm using the Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I went straight to my eyes. I'm using Bperfect's Carnival palette and I've taken this beautiful bright purple shade called Wasted. I'm just going in with it all over my lid. It is a very pigmented eyeshadow. It came out beautifully on my lid. Here I am creating a bit of a wing with my eyeshadow and now I'm intensifying the purple shade a bit more. I'm highlighting my brow bone area with the Anastasia Glow Kit palette. Now I'm going to add this white eyeliner from Kryolan in my waterline. I'm going in with this neutral shade called Basic under my eyes and just blending it in. I'm now applying this Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Jealousy. I'm just carefully lining my lips with the lipstick wand and then filling it in. And at last going in with the mascara, I'm using Bad Girl Bang from Benefit. And last step, I'm going to put on these lashes. They are from my own brand called Kriti Cosmetics. And here is my final look. You see, all that work definitely pays off. I'm very happy with how this look turned out. I would also love to hear from you. Please let me know your thoughts or any questions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up as that helps me a lot. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in my next video, which is coming up very soon.